In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the manual printhead cleaning of your HP OfficeJet Pro 9120 E series printer. The first step is to open the front chamber. Make sure your printer is on. Only then the ink cartridges will move and come into the middle. Next step is to remove the ink cartridges. So push the ink cartridges one by one and take it out. Very easy to clean the ink cartridge. It's very easy to clean the printhead of this printer. Once you remove them, you have to open this section, lift it up so it will stand itself. If you look at the ink chamber, you will see there is a white lever, so you just have to push it up and it will release the whole section. So that is the ink chamber where we can insert the ink cartridges, and below is the printhead. We can clearly see the printhead has some marks here, so that's actually the ink. So we can just unclog it. You can also take a damp tissue or wet tissue, or you can just spray some water on it and then you can just clean it slowly. So don't rub it a lot. So once you see all the ink showing up on the tissue, that means the clogged ink is clear and we can start placing it back. In case it's still not showing up anything, then you can take a syringe and pipe and just pressure wash this section. Make sure you don't put any water or any liquid on this side, otherwise it will damage the printhead completely. Next step is to reinstall the printhead here. So first place it properly. So once it is settled, then you can just lock the printhead with this lever. Automatically it will lock it. Now reinstall the ink cartridges. Place all the ink cartridges one by one. Now close the top lid and then close the front section. Now wait for the ink cartridges to be recognized and the printhead to be recognized. So on the main screen we can see everything is showing up. Now before we start printing, we have to do the final printhead cleaning using the display panel. We can see the first result we saw was like this. There was no ink showing up here. Now to click on the menu, scroll down and look for the tools, troubleshooting, print quality, printhead cleaning, select level 1 and click on the start. Let's see the print result. So clearly we can see all the 4 ink has started to show up properly, and before we can see there was no ink here. So this way we can do the manual printhead cleaning and then we can start using our printer. Thanks for watching.